I'm Deborah Gartenstein, author of The Accidental Vegan. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan aioli. Now, an aioli is a garlicky mayonnaise for all practical purposes. So here I have a bulb of garlic. I'm just going to use 1 clove because it doesn't get cooked and raw garlic can be pretty intense. So I'm going to peel that, smash it. That's the easiest way to peel garlic. And I'm going to put this in the food processor. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to it because it's going to help it get chopped up better. Now I'm going to add some silken tofu, about ½ pound of silken tofu. Silken tofu has a really high water content. It's the softest kind of tofu. The difference between hard tofu and soft tofu is the water content. In fact, if you have soft tofu and you want to make it harder, you put it in a colander, you put some weight on it, it'll squeeze some of the water out of it, and it will be more firm. So silken tofu, I'm going to use about ½ a lemon. I'm going to use a couple of tablespoons of olive oil and some salt. Maybe a quarter of a teaspoon salt. And then I'm just going to puree this until it's really smooth. Maybe 30 seconds or so. And there you have a vegan aioli.